Hi, this is the Group 1 IMDB database presentation here titled Understanding the Design Process. First off, as an introduction, the purpose of this project is for our group to learn the fundamentals of the first stage of the entity relationship model, also known as the design stage. We're tasked with creating and understanding the ways that entity relationship diagrams can be used as effective visual conceptual schema. In Group 1 here, we have Mary Tinsley, who is our main designer, me, Jonathan Wynn, as the implementer, kind of throwing everything together, and Sean Lynn here, with support. He kind of did a little bit of everything. So let's move forward. So a couple key concepts here we wanted to go over before diving deep into it. First off, what is a database? A database is a collection of related data. But what is a database management system? A database management system is a software package or system used to facilitate the definition, construction, manipulation, and share functions of a computerized database. So in other words, data on its own is pretty difficult to traverse and manipulate. Think a giant Excel spreadsheet, and you don't have any sort of way, no tools to navigate a bunch of data. A database management system offers a storage of data in intuitive ways with tools that provide efficient query processing, and it also supports multiple user views, so multiple people can look at it at the same time, as opposed to a file system. It also has the ability to prevent data redundancy and restricts unauthorized user access. So our objective here was to create a conceptual schema for the popular media review website, IMDb. So when you click onto the IMDb website and you go there on the home page, this is what you're greeted with. A lot of different things here. You got the sign in there at the top, but you also got a couple different previews for movies there. So here is the entity relationship diagram that we went ahead and created here. So it includes the entity's movie here in the middle. We have user reviews, which is a weak entity. We've got actor right over here. We've got awards here over on the left. We have writer on the right, and director here at the top. And the actions here, so we have acts in. We have directs, works on. Then we have reviews right here. We have received by, and we have awarded. So to dive into the movie entity, so we have several attributes here. Starting with this one here, we have number of user reviews. That's actually going to be a derived attribute from the user reviews entity. We also have the key attribute here for title. We have release date, Metascore, runtime, IMDb rating, and the multi-valued attribute genres. So if you look at the page here, so you have the runtime here, you've got the movie title, you have the release date, you have the Metascore here, you have the IMDb rating here at the top, and then you also have the genres listed right here. So for the actor entity, we have here a couple different ones along with a complex attribute. So we have the key attribute name, we have birth date, rating, and awards. That's awards received. You can see that right down here at the bottom, wins and nominations. For the actor, director, and writer entities, something that was pretty consistent that we found was the inclusion of a short little biography here. So some of the attributes there associated with biography as well include the birth name, height, and parents. For writer, we have the key attribute name, we have birth date, rating, and again, biography with parents, height, and birth name. For director, we have the key attribute name, we have birth date, rating, and then we also have, again, biography with birth name, height, and parents. For user reviews, we have this one's a little bit different. We have the key attribute username for the weak entity here. Now, it's a weak entity because not every single movie on the website may have a user review on it, right? So this is technically considered like an optional when not all of them will actually have this here. We have then here the user rating. We have data review, the key attribute, again, review title, so you can search by both of these, and then total number of reviews. So you have here at the top, so the Barbie movie is the one that we were using throughout all of this. We have the total number of reviews right here. The username is displayed right here, and then the review title is here at the top, right? So those are all pretty unique attributes here that we thought would be good key attributes to use in a search for that. So we have the award entity here. This one is pretty interesting as well. So first, it's categorized through the awarding organization here, this attribute, and then through that, you have whether they were the status of it, whether they won the award or were nominated for the award. You have the key attribute here, the year of award nomination, because only one award of the award category and that name will be given to whether an actor or director, that kind of thing. So we have that, we have the award name, and we have the award category. So as you can see here, so we have Greta Gerwig. She has her wins and nominations. And then here, for the Academy Awards USA, she was a nominee for an Oscar for Best Adapted Screenplay for the Barbie movie, right? So that kind of dives deep into those attributes there. Then you have your relationships here. So for movie here, let me do this. So you have a movie. Apologize, give me one moment. A movie must have one or more actors acting in it, and an actor may act in several movies. So the single line and double lines there for that. You have works on between movie and writer. So every movie must have, sorry, give me one moment. A movie must have one or more writers working on it here, and then a writer may work on several movies. So you have received by here. So a movie, I'm sorry, an actor may receive an actor may receive several awards, but an award must only be received by one actor. Again, I apologize. I had this put down over here, and I confused myself a little bit. Let's see. And then for awarded, between awarded for director, this goes up and over here. Okay, so we have. Let me pull this up here. A director may be awarded an award, may be awarded several awards. An award, however, must be awarded to only one director, is the relationship there. And then for movie and award here, we have an award must be awarded to only one movie. However, a movie may be awarded many awards. And then for the relationship here between awards and writer, it kind of goes around here. So we have an award must be awarded to only one writer, and a writer may be awarded many awards, several awards. So in conclusion, through this project, we worked as a team to create and analyze an entity relationship diagram that we hope to be able to use here on future projects throughout the semester. So again, yeah, thank you. Appreciate you guys watching.